Hi, this is Rod Chapman from Caladat Industries again. We're looking at the second skylight in this property. This one's in a passageway. It's a 400 by 400mm traditional square skylight. At around about 700 from the roof, we're only achieving about 120 lux with this skylight. It's got a drop of about 2.5 metres. What we're going to do today is the same thing. We're going to change this to a SkyTunnel roof part up on the roof with a tubular flexi tube down to a highly reflective conversion box which sits about 300mm above the ceiling frame in the ceiling, and we're going to show you exactly what the difference in the lux achieved via the SkyTunnel system. We've removed the diffuser from the skylight just to give you a shot directly up the shaft of the square 400 by 400, and you can see the corners on the square shaft which will impact light transfer. And if you look closely at the dome on top of the roof, you can see some issues up there where we have had some mould. This is a non-vented skylight, so there has been some issues with condensation. Not terribly significant, but they are there. With vented skylights, you can eliminate that problem. This is the 400 by 400 traditional square skylight top. Once again, with the twin wall as the dome, we're going to replace that with the 343 SkyTunnel with the round tube down to a 400 by 400 conversion box just above ceiling level. This is the one that we saw that had some issue with a little bit of water ingress and a little bit of condensation. Of course, with the vent tabs in the top of the SkyTunnel, we don't have that sort of problem. So it's the same process, removing the protective plastic off of the reflective top collar. The lugs are in position, ready to lock into the top of the dome. And then it's a simple process of locking the lugs in and securing the tube to the roof part. This is the 400 by 400 square skylight that was in the passageway earlier, that was quite dark and was only sort of bringing 150 to maybe 200 lux down through. It's a fairly significant drop for a 400 by 400 skylight. It's almost 3 metres from the ridge. Normally you would go for a larger skylight, but to get the comparison, we left it at 400. Put in our highly reflective Miro silver conversion box, and the lux meter was just showing us around between 1900 and 2000 lux down through this. So to complete this, yet again, we just need to get our diffuser in to the conversion box. Drop that down into place. And we've got a much brighter passageway than we had previously.